The ICC prosecution put its second witness on the stand today in the fifth day of the trial against lawyer Paul Gicheru. Before proceedings began, the court declined to grant the prosecution's request to present new evidence against Gicheru in what Judge Miata Maria Samba describes as a move that will be inconsistent with the rights of the accused. Leila Mohammed stays on that report.
The fifth day of the 10-day trial of Kenyan lawyer Paul Gicheru began with statements from his defense teams based on a prosecution move to introduce new evidence to the court on Sunday.
This witness was previously interviewed 13 March 2021. Granted, this was not an in-person interview, but even at that point in time, they would have realized that perhaps this particular witness, had some shortcomings, if you will, and therefore they could have availed themselves to the route of Rule 68.3.
Gicheru's defense team say that whilst the stakes aren't as high in this case as in others, the liberty and professional license of the lawyer is at stake, and the move by the prosecution was one that is seen as unfair for him to defend himself well.
We're outside of the...
After listening to both parties' arguments, the trial judge made her decision that has been termed as a minor win in the uphill battle that Gicheru faces.
An introduction via Rule 68.3 requires an adaptation and review on what questions to put to the witness and how to structure the questioning of the witness by the defense. This is simply not possible at this late point in time. So for these reasons, the Chamber finds that an introduction of the evidence via Rule 68.3 would be prejudicial to the defense and inconsistent with the right of the accused, unlike claimed by the prosecution.
According to the bench, the Rule 68D would be prejudicial to the defense and inconsistent with the right of the accused. It is on this note that the prosecution request was rejected by the Chamber.
So I'm addressing that section now.
After the administrative issues had been covered, the prosecution's second witness, number P0431, took the stand and was taken through questioning by the prosecution in a session that was heavily blocked off from the public due to the sensitivity of the matters presented before the court. The defense will get their chance to cross-examine the witness after the prosecution is done with him Tuesday. Leila Mohammed, NTV.